I think the great thing about Whitby when I was there was that it really gave me the confidence to jump in the ways that I'm talking about. It gave me a sense that of my own personal agency, my own sense that I could influence a situation. And so I remember both at Milton and then later on in college really feeling like, no, I play a part in this classroom. I'm going to jump in. I'm going to talk. And so I love that there are schools like that help kids to foster that sense of personal confidence, that sense that they have agency, that they can make a difference. That's what matters.
For our current unit, we are learning about the human body. We're learning about the different systems and what happens if some questions we're trying to think of about our system. And then after we've done that, now we're going to do research about them and we're going to share it with the class and also 3D. If you took certain parts of the body, then it wouldn't be able to work. Like we took apart the clock and now it's not going to be able to work because we took the parts off.
We're dissecting owl pellet.
This is really cool, Miss Catcher said, because it still has like a little bar on it, like where the hind limb connects, and also this because was just this because it's still intact, and this is a skull, and it's cool because you can see the eyeballs.
Great job.
This actually makes a really, really large rodent, and so. And this is also pretty rare because usually, uncommonly, you might see one of these separated, but these are together.
So we were given some information on midterm scores and the amount of time spent on ALEKS, and additionally, the amount of topics completed on ALEKS, in the 7th grade PI specifically. We were investigating whether there's correlation or causation between the two. We found that there's pretty clear causation between midterm scores and ALEKS completion, which means if you finish more topics on ALEKS, you will probably do better on your midterm.
We didn't see that much correlation, so what we basically found out was that your time doesn't actually matter for how well you do on your midterm.
It's that there are other factors that play into it. You might not be the one doing ALEKS on your own, so some of that time might not actually be you learning, or you could be fooling around while your ALEKS tab is open.
We presented to the other math groups. We had to come up with a presentation to explain to them how those are related and what they can do to improve their midterm score when it comes. Well, I guess the most challenging thing to do was to try to formulate the data into some way that we can make it simple enough to understand, but not too simple that we miss out some important parts.